In today's video, I'm going to teach you Get Salesforce Certification Voucher. We'll go from a fresh browser window to the exact place in Trailhead Academy where you can explore certifications, narrow the list to the right option, review the official resources, and see where the voucher information becomes available after you pass. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along in real time. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Trailhead Salesforce Login. This is the quickest way to land on the official Trailhead entry point without memorizing URLs. In the search results, look for the link that says Login to Trailhead for Salesforce and click it. If you're prompted to sign in, continue with your preferred Salesforce or Trailhead account so your progress and access carry through the rest of the process. Once you're on the Trailhead Today page, look for the Certifications area and click it. This takes you into the Certification Hub. From there, select Browse All Certifications. You're now seeing a catalog of available certifications. To make the list manageable, open the Sort by Control so you can confirm how the results are ordered. If a drop-down or panel stays open and blocks your view, click on an empty area of the page to close it. This small reset keeps the interface tidy before you apply filters. Next, open the product filter. In the product list, choose Salesforce Platform. This narrows results to certifications that focus on the core platform capabilities. With that in place, open the role filter to scan how certifications map to different job functions, and then open the level filter. At this point, you'll also see options that help you focus further. Use the highlight area to draw your attention to options that matter for getting started, then select exams without prerequisites. This ensures you'll only see certifications you can register for right away without needing prior credentials. With those filters set, find and click Salesforce Certified Business Analyst. This certification sits on the Salesforce platform and, when shown with no prerequisites, is an accessible path for many professionals who want to validate their skills in discovery, stakeholder engagement, and translating business requirements into solutions on Salesforce. Inside the certification page, click Register Now. This shows you available exam delivery options and sets you on the path to schedule. Before you commit, it's best practice to review the official preparation materials, so select Get Exam Guide. The exam guide outlines the sections, weightings, and the exact scope the test will cover, which helps you focus your study time efficiently. Back on the certification details, take a moment to look at the level indicator. This tells you the intended audience experience range and helps you gauge your readiness. Then open. About this certification to understand the role profile, the types of tasks assessed, and the value the credential signifies to employers and teams. After that, open exam details to confirm key logistics like the number of questions, time allowed, passing score, language availability, and delivery format. Make sure these align with your expectations so there are no surprises on exam day. Finally, go to the Resources section. This is where Salesforce centralizes official links, documentation, and program information associated with the certification. After passing the exam, you will get a Salesforce certification voucher. Keep an eye on this section and your account notifications so you can redeem it according to the program's instructions. That's the full path. You searched for the Trailhead login, navigated to certifications, browsed the catalog, applied filters for Salesforce platform and exams without prerequisites, selected the Salesforce Certified Business Analyst certification, reviewed registration and preparation materials, verified level and exam details, and checked the resources area where the voucher becomes available after you pass. Pause the video as needed while you work through each screen and you'll be set up for a smooth experience from exploration to exam success.